In this video, I will show you how to copy table from PDF to Excel file. Let's get started. Open Excel. Start a new spreadsheet. Click on the Data tab in the ribbon. Select the Get Data option. Select from File. Select from PDF from the drop-down menu. Locate and select your PDF file. Click Import. Wait for the process to complete. A navigator window will display detected tables. Choose the one you want to import. Check your imported data to see if everything is correct. After that, click Load. Once imported, you can format and manipulate the data within Excel. By following these steps, you can effectively copy table data from a PDF to an Excel file in seconds.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.